Welcome. This video is a walkthrough of a model that extracts bank names from unstructured text. The data that is being used for this video is the same as is used in the wired MDM videos. This is to give an idea of what lies under the cover of the MDM. The model that is being used is a model that is called Finall bank Swifft, and the model is expected to predict the following entities. Of all these entities, we are interested in prefix, bank name, which goes through bank name to bank name 3, and bank suffix. I will select all the rows on display and click on Test Recognize. Test Recognize creates an output where each word in the input string is tokenized and it is color coded depending on what entity it is picked up. To see a verbose description of the entity that has been predicted, let us look at the XML file that it generates. This is the XML file that was created in the background. If I go to browser mode, this key, which is Paramount Export Corporation or Paramount Export Company, has created this XML, and you can see here that all the tokens, all the entities that have been recognized are either miscellaneous or other. There is not a single entity in this that has been recognized as a bank. Same is the case with this record, which is essentially a party record. However, if you go down to this record 8444 and 466, which is this record, First Caribbean International, or this one, First Caribbean International Bank, the entities that have been recognized are bank name 1, and bank suffix. So in a sense, it has extracted the bank name from this entire string. It has taken the bank name and annotated them as bank name 1, and bank suffix, whereas it's left all the other tokens as other or miscellaneous. Or in a sense, it is telling us only to use these three tokens because they form the part of the bank name. Similarly, here you can see Armin Bank has been picked up as the bank name, and the rest of the tokens have been left out. In this case, Bank of New York Mellon has been picked up as the bank name, and the rest of the tokens have been left out. And here BK, which is also Bank of China, has been picked up, and the rest of the tokens have been left out. Similarly, here Deutsche Bank has been picked up, and the rest has been left out. In this instance, Mehtab Trading Corporation is a party, and therefore there is no bank name in the string, and therefore there is no single entity which says it's a bank name. Here you can see Bank of Shanghai. The entire string is part of a bank name, so the entire string has been picked up. Here it's Emirates NBD Bank. So these three tokens have been picked up as the bank name, and the rest have been left out. In this instance, there is no bank name, so there is nothing annotated here as a bank name. And here it's PNC Bank. So PNC and Bank have been picked up as the bank name. New Jersey has been left out. And here AS LHV Bank, which is a bank in Estonia, has been picked up as the bank name, and the rest of these tokens have been left out. Similarly, here BP Bank has been picked up as the bank name, and the rest of the tokens have been left out. And here it's Fairbairn Private Bank, and so on and so forth. Please note that the implementation of the advanced algorithmic server is a web service. This engine that you see, which is running from the front end, is basically an engine that trains the data. The actual implementation is a web service. The web service processes several trained models based on parameters passed. In this case, Bank's Finall Swifft is an instance of a model. The wire MDM implementation has two models, one that extracts banks, which is this one, and the one other that extracts the major constituents of an address taxonomy, namely city, state, zip and country, which you will see in a subsequent video. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching.